Nothing too interesting. Ooh, I found some gold. That's always interesting. Look at that. Little board with some monolithic capacitors. And some nice, so actually nice gold. I was not expecting that. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, there's this switch. There's nothing else. It's a bunch of plastic. So got some wire, a little bit of wire. Let's see. There you go. There you go. A little bit of wire. Oh, yeah. Some gold. A couple of monolithic capacitors. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Might be a green board also. Nope, there was an IC chip, also a tiny one that I broke off. Let's put that in my IC chip pile. So let's see, what else do we got? What do we have here? So got a nice motor here. There's some screws here we can open up. Let's see what's in here. Once we open it up, I'm guessing we'll see some of the copper and stuff, maybe, possibly. All right, there you go. There you go. All the nice fun gears and all the grease, all the years of use and dirt and the wear and tear. That's pretty cool. So we got a hunk of steel, I guess. There you go. And then we got the other side, which is the motor. Oh, I think it fell out there. I'm not sure how you'd get into that. I guess you'd have to hammer it out to open it to see what's inside, but definitely some copper in there. That almost fell again.